In a world where knowledge lives across words, voices, and visuals, enterprises face a critical challenge: how to unify it into a single, intelligent understanding. Meet OmniRAG, NTT DATA's next-generation multimodal retrieval augmented generation solution, designed to unify text, audio, and video intelligence into a single semantic reasoning layer. Built on the NVIDIA AI stack, OmniRAG delivers faster insights with optimized GPU utilization and cost-efficient intelligence at scale. Before diving into OmniRAG, let's talk about tokens. Tokens are tiny chunks of text that large language models use to process information, making them the atomic unit of intelligence. Recent advancements in test time scaling enable models to process more tokens efficiently for deeper reasoning and better answers. In simple terms, the more tokens that a model can process, the smarter its answers become. However, managing token costs is key. Reducing the cost per million for tokens directly improves return on investment for generative AI applications. OmniRAG optimizes the token generation process, ensuring smarter compute, lower costs, and higher ROI for enterprise AI applications. Built on this foundational knowledge, OmniRAG seamlessly ingests and processes text, audio, and video modalities, and extracts meaning, context, and relationships across all content types. GraphRAG pipelines ingest text data and use graph structures to store embeddings. They transcribe audio data and semantically link it to related documents. Pipelines also summarize and index videos for contextual retrieval. As a result, OmniRAG can answer complex questions by drawing insights from documents, instructional videos, and spoken content. The solution also allows organizations to define access rules so users only see the content they're authorized to view. Under the hood, OmniRAG runs on Azure Cloud with NVIDIA GPU acceleration. The architecture leverages NVIDIA's GPU hardware, Azure Container Services, and NVIDIA NIM microservices, and VLM inference servers, Microsoft Llama models, re-rankers, and vision language models. Data orchestration services manage multimodal ingestion. The solution is exposed as APIs for seamless integration into domain-specific use cases. This architecture ensures scalable performance and optimized cost efficiency, enabling large-scale multimodal reasoning without compromising on tokenomics. Now let's see OmniRAG in action. In this manufacturing example for torque calibration, we uploaded operator training videos on torque wrench instructions, along with engineering manuals and process audio instructions on the steering column in cars. When we ask a complex question, OmniRAG doesn't just search, it reasons across all modalities. It pulls details from manuals, interprets scenes from videos, and even factors in audio instructions to deliver a clear, context-rich answer. The response includes precise text explanations, relevant images from technical documents, and video clips that show the exact steps referenced. This capability goes far beyond manufacturing. OmniRAG can be applied in finance, legal, healthcare, and any domain where multimodal reasoning creates value. Whether it's technical troubleshooting, compliance reviews, or complex decision-making, OmniRAG delivers faster, richer insights by connecting information across text, video, and audio. OmniRAG represents the next step in enterprise AI. It showcases NTT DATA's expertise in building AI solutions, powered by NVIDIA, to deliver real business impact by combining multimodal intelligence with scalable infrastructure.